點解你一定要愛人情況底下要愛神呢？因為你唔愛神，你就唔知道點愛人。你嗰種愛人方法可以流落喺情慾啊、filial 啊、物慾裏邊。幾多父母溺愛佢自己嘅仔女啊？因為佢唔識愛神，所以佢唔識愛人啦。難就難在神係唔可以提清提楚嘅，佢亦唔可以講利害關係嘅，咁先至喺你自發底下出嚟嘅善良。
Whisper of the wind calling through the night, your voice, my Lord, is the lantern in my sight. I feel your hands shaping every step, for love is the compass that I'll never forget. Love's the compass, wakes me up from trance. In every challenge, leads me to the true path. Oh, Spirit moving through every day and night, and teaching me to see your holy light.
藉著愛人，你成立得到去做嘅時候，方向就建立到啦。石安就係因為咁建立到今日，並且神嘅聲音就喺我生命當中不斷去講。你估我唔知道講災難嘅時候佢冇發生，我牧師都未必有得做咩？但如果真係發生嘅話，咁我唔講好恐怖嘅喎。我因為愛人，我願意去面對呢一個可能有嘅後遺症。
Holy Spirit, be my eyes to see beyond the world's disguise. Be my hands to serve and heal. Be my heart that learns to feel the pain of those who walk alone. Lord, through love, make yourself known. Love's the compass, cleanses my mind from mess. It's more than everything I've ever had. Oh God above, your grace divine that makes this broken heart